Hello friends, this is DJ Rudy. I came here today to make this small tutorial. I would like to explain a little bit about how to fill this spreadsheet. This week we have many DJs that got so confused in how to fill this spreadsheet. On this spreadsheet we have like 6 different times. The raids starts in Brazil at 1 p.m. and goes to, in this case, 2:30 a.m. on Sunday. So, if you take any time here since 1 p.m. to 11:30 p.m., probably you will have Brazilian time in your stream. After that, on 1 a.m. and 2:30 a.m., probably not, because it's very late here in Brazil, is mostly people are sleeping, so probably you won't have no Brazilian people in your stream. So try to take any time between 1 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. So if you want to know what time is in your country, just do this. Check in your time, exactly in your time. For example, if you are on California, you are on PST. 11:30 in Brazil, it's 7:30 in California and PST time. So if you are on EST, the difference is just 1 hour between EST and Brazil, so it's 10:30. If you are on the central of United States, like Chicago, Illinois, probably you have 2 hours difference between Chicago and Brazil, so it's 9:30. If you are in Europe using GMT, you are ahead of Brazil, so 11:30 in Brazil is 2:30 a.m. on Europe, like London. If you are on Norway, for example, is the middle of the Europe, is the central of Europe, you are 5 hours ahead of Brazil. For example, 11:30, 4:30 a.m. in Norway. So, if you take like 1 p.m., it's the start raid in Brazil, on PST will be 9 a.m. On EST will be 12 p.m. or 12 noon. If you are on a central, 11 a.m. If you are on GMT like England, like I say before, it's 5 hours ahead. Oh, sorry, it's 3 hours ahead. So it's 4 p.m. If you are in the central of Europe, you are 5 hours ahead. So it's 6 p.m. But the raid starts for Brazilian time, BRT, Brazilian time, 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and goes to whatever, 11:30 for Brazilian people. Some Brazilian people sleeps a little late, so maybe at 1 a.m. you have some of Brazilian. But I'm pretty sure that if you take 2:30 a.m., probably you won't have no Brazilians in your time. So no Brazilians, but you can have all over the world in your stream, because it's 10:30 p.m. like in PST, and it's 1:30 a.m. on EST. It's 12:30 a.m. on CST Central, So probably you will have many other peoples like Japan, Asian people from all over the world. So you won't have no Brazilian, but you will have all over the world in your stream. I hope this can be helpful for you for next time when you fill this spreadsheet. Another thing is, every time I do the spreadsheet, I take here like 3 or 4 different spreadsheets. For example, here we have April 16, but it's already open for April 23rd. It also is open from April 30. So you can fill this if you want to be on, if you want to join us on these dates. You don't need to just sign up for the 16 like today. You can fill all others if you want. Maybe you cannot be with us on April 16, but you can do on April 23rd or April 30. So I hope this can be useful, this tutorial can be useful for you when you go to fill this spreadsheet. Another thing that I would like to tell is put here your name, your Twitch link is very important because sometimes when I have to pass the raid, I don't know exactly the name of the DJ who's gonna take him. And this is very complicated because the raid sometimes goes to another place different from the place we want to do. Put here also your Instagram for receiving our flyers. I prefer that you join our server on Discord, but if you are not want to do this, if you do not want to join our Discord server, no problem. You can just put your Instagram here and there will be very helpful to contact you, to send to you the images and the flyers. We have 3 different layouts that can be useful for our lives. They are already done. All you have to do is open a browser font on your OBS and put the link out there. And that's it. You have our link, our layout done, ready for use. Alright? I hope I can be very clear in helping you to fill this spreadsheet, and I hope to count with you on the next raid train. Thank you very much for watching this, and sorry about my poor English, and I hope we can be together in the future doing some raids together. Thank you very much.